What is going on, guys? Sprinx here, doing a quick video. Let me get in so I can explain what's going on. So my car AC smells a little bit. I guess it's got like bacteria or something in there. So I'm about to use this AC order treatment. Here are the directions. But we're gonna do it and see if it does any good. Because whenever you turn the AC on, it literally smells like gym socks in here. But just turn it on. First step is turn the vehicle on. Alright. It says turn on vehicle ventilation AC system and run fan on high setting. It says system to external air vent. Okay, let's do that. Put it on high. It's on AC. Yeah, right now it's recirculating. It's coming from outside. Ooh, it kind of smells. Alright, next. Vent not recirculating. Okay, we got that. Administer product deliberately through all air intake. Right, so now let's go to the vents. It should be on the hood. Right, this is the cowl of the car. That's where you're gonna want to spray it. Don't really want to miss. Alright, and I'm gonna spray a little bit more. I know I gotta replace my pulley. Look at that noise. But I decided to open the hood up. That's where the vent is. So it sucks up the air. We'll spray that in there.